on, everyone, at Trades of the Day. Trust you're doing splendidly sensational. It's Monday, the 18th of June, which means it is the free week, open house week here at Real Life Trading. Absolutely crushed it today. Tons of content, tons of information, so much good learning opportunities. I loved it. It was a profitable day. We day traded FLT today for day trade, Fleet Core Technologies. This will probably also be a swing trade that we end up taking together at some point. But other than that, I mean, I'll post the two trades that we placed today in the room in the day trading journal here for Trades Today, just so you can see and kind of keep tabs of what I've been placing, because I did place two trades today. All right, awesome. Let's go look into some of our exact swing trades that we are in. Again, I'll update this day trade journal here in a little bit. So we have a lot more swings than we do have day trades, obviously. The longest one on the board has been WEED. Love seeing that up 2%. This has just been pure patience. And as of today, it's officially that time to increase the stop. 34.98. This way we lock in some profits. Not a lot of profits, but we do lock in some. And it's nicely below the 20. It's nicely below all the movements, so I'm a big fan of that stop placement. Let's go update it here. And again, this is one that we've been in, which feels like forever, but it hasn't really been that long. May 15th, so about a month, realistically a month. Updated stop, perfect. Okay, so Home Depot and then Hewlett Packard. So here is ticker symbol HD, and Home Depot got its new pivot. So we're going to take that stop and move it here to 197.21, locking in a really healthy gain. So congratulations. I would love to see this one get up to 207. That would be a huge win if we get up there, but nonetheless, 2 Rs is at 197. So we're locking in more than 2 Rs. So that is a really nice setup. And here's HPE. Hewlett Packard Enterprises, a little bit of a bullish candle today. I'll move that stop sometime later in the week, probably move it up to like 15.45 and some change. Just end up seeing what happens with Hewlett Packard Enterprises. Next on the list, we got BIB. So Biogen had a really big bearish move today. It was BIIB. The Ultra Shares Biotechnology, not too bad of a move. Definitely retesting. Here's that long-term moving average. So we're really just pulling back, retesting some movement. Weekly chart still hanging out. So we'll see how that plays. We got our stop in place. I don't think we're going to lose an R on that, but you never know. QD actually just filled at 990, like literally minutes ago. So QD open and active here at 990. We will see if QD continues higher. But that's why I figured I would take the time out to do the update as of right now, since that did just trigger. Deutsche Bank, ticker symbol DB, is 1105, down about 0.5%. Still kind of struggling to pop. Playing this one longer term. We'll see if she works. Keep your eyes on it, but we'll win big or lose small. TGOD. So this is on the TSX, the Toronto Exchange. And again, phenomenal entry. We got our stop placed at 580. Looking good. Beautiful pullback. All is exceptional on that one. So nothing too crazy on that. Roku, ticker symbol ROKU. And Roku, we're out of a quarter of our position. And as of today, there's no real reason to break below that low that we made today. So let's go ahead and put in a new stop of 42.53. So again, we've already exited some of our position. We're going to increase our stop on Roku. Kind of put it over here. New stop. There we go. And then Carbon Black, CBLK. Carbon Black is down a little bit, but we did move a little bit higher. Obviously, we had a huge move on Friday. We talked about, hey, let's just set it up to see what it'll end up doing, because it was working out so well. Our 2 Rs was 31.82, so you should be fully out of Carbon Black at 33.37. If you want to hold on to that trade, you're more than welcome to. Entirely your call. But ladies and gentlemen, that was just an absolute crusher. 2.6% gain. Very nice move. Another profitable trade closed. Feeling good. Here's Qualcomm. QCOM Qualcomm doesn't look like it's going to trigger, at least not yet. I'll probably come back to Qualcomm at some level and see if we update that or just cancel it. But right now, nothing crazy on that one. Here's Costco, COST. And Costco made a new all-time high today. I'll still leave this one open just in case. Nothing too crazy happening at the moment. Pivotal Software, PVTL. So Pivotal is at 27.93, gap down a little bit, but I got it at 26.73. So you're up a little bit on Pivotal Software. I like the moving average, I like the gap. We'll see what continues to happen on that one. And then Stryker, SYK. So SYK, what's interesting about this is, again, the market was pretty much down most of the day. This one did trigger 169.70. So we have some new trades that are getting filled, and that means new risk and new opportunity for profits. So we'll see what the market ends up giving us. But as far as a new trade's concerned, HMI, I wrote this one down. Let me go see what HMI is doing. HMI, give me a second. My charting software has been a little bit slower today. So, okay. So this one actually is pulling back. Nice. So this was one of those Chinese IPO stocks, and we've been doing very, very well on those. So I figured let's kind of continue that boat. Locking in a really pretty gain on Carbon Black gives us and affords us the opportunity to go ahead and start taking some more trades. So with this pullback, 1056 by 826 is how I'm looking at playing the new one, which is going to be on the 18th, 2018, HMI. And again, just looking at 1056, which is buying the dip off of this previous low over here, and then a stop at 826. So here's $8.26. Shares is a bullish trade setup. It's a good setup based on a retest gap. Open because it's not triggered yet, and we'll throw that right in here. But again, folks, we're still just absolutely steamrolling this thing up 32 Rs. Of 100 Rs is doubling your account. So we've 30% gain right now with a 68% win-loss ratio, just starting a few months ago, back in late February with this exact tracking journal. So congratulations, doing well, feeling good. HMI, that's our new swing trade. We have a few other trades that are working and active and beautiful out there. May and June has really been a wonderful, wonderful month, and I hope you are all just rocking it out. So I will see you all later, and until tomorrow, love life, live life, and trade. You guys rock. Bye.